Hi, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to model a trefoil star pendant in Autodesk Maya 2020. So let's get started. Go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon cylinder, type cylinder radius 3.5, height 3, subdivision axis type 6, move the cylinder up, just here press F to focus or zoom in. Now go to modify, freeze transformation, go to mesh tool, open insert edge loop option, reset the tool, select multiple edge, number of edge loop type here 1. Now insert one edge loop here, go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and move it down just here. Now select the two cylinder, go to face selection mode, select this face, this face, shift select this face, give one space and select this face, one space, another, see, and select the face of the lower cylinder of opposite direction, select this, and also this face. Go to top view, click extrude and extrusion type 3.5. Now go to perspective view, extrusion type 4. Now click on this square bar and scale this face with this extrude tool, extrude scale tool. This is very important, otherwise your model will destroy or your geometry will destroy. Just select and scale just like this. Slightly decrease, press delete, this will delete all the face which are selected. Now go to side view, select this face as shown, press delete, go to perspective view, see. Now go to object mode, go to side view, move this cylinder up, just here press F to focus or zoom in, turn on wireframe on shaded mode, move this one slightly down, go to perspective view. Now select the two cylinder, go to edit, delete by type, delete history. This is very important, you should combine the object. Go to mesh, click combine. Now edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to vertex selection mode, select these two vertex, go to edit mesh, click merge, select these two, select these two vertex, press G to repeat the previous tool action, select these two vertex, press G, select them, press G, select them, and press G. Select this, press G. Here is one vertex, they are merged. See, now go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to lighting, turn on two-sided lighting. Now again vertex selection mode, select these two vertex. Go to edit mesh, click merge center. Select these two vertex, press G to repeat the previous action. Press G. Again press G. Select these two vertex, press G. See, you should merge the vertex in this way. Now go to object mode, again edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to face selection mode, go to top view. Select this face by dragging. Go to perspective view. See, now scale tool, scale the face as shown. Now go to vertex mode, go to side view, select the only upper vertex, shift select this lower vertex, go to perspective view, now scale. Scale the vertex and scale them along y-axis. Just like this. Again scale as shown. See, object mode, vertex mode, select this vertex, this quick selection tool, this vertex, this one, this one, this one, and also this one. Scale tool, scale them and see. Sorry, Ctrl G to undo. Object mode, go to face selection mode, select this face, shift select this face and this one, this face, this face, and also this one, this one. Press delete, go to object mode, see the shape, now go to edit, delete by type, delete history, go to face selection mode, scale tool, scale the face as shown. Again object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, modify freeze transformation, face selection mode, select all the face, click extrude and extrude about 0.5. Go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, go to mesh, click smooth, smooth it 3 times. Now edit, delete by type, delete history, see the effect. This is how you can create a trefoil star pendant in Autodesk Maya 2020. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.